Hey everyone, welcome back to another advanced bug bounty tutorial. Today we are diving into an automated JavaScript file discovery workflow using multiple tools in parallel. This is perfect for large-scale recon, especially when you're working with a list of live domains instead of just one target. Here's a disclaimer. All information shared here is strictly for educational purposes. Any misuse or unethical use of this knowledge is not the responsibility of the creator or of this channel. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have a clean workspace. Create a new folder called JS to store all outputs. Inside this folder, we'll be storing all our results from Katana, urlfinder, and other tools that we use. Also ensure you have a file containing a list of live subdomains that you want to analyze. We start with Katana, one of the most powerful web crawlers available today. We will run it into multiple modes to maximize coverage. First run depth first crawling. Then breadth first. And a normal scan with concurrency set to 50. Finally, extract URLs that contains query parameters for later testing. These files will help us understand how deep each page goes and where dynamic parameters exist. Next up is urlfinder, which passively gathers URLs from HTML scripts and other embedded sources. Run it across all domains. This gives us additional endpoints that might not be found through crawling alone. Now let's use hackcrawler, known for its speed and simplicity. Pipe live domains into hackcrawler and extract all discovered URLs. This gives us yet another source of .js and endpoint data, including subdomains. Let's now tap into historical data using waybackurls, pulling from the Internet Archive's Wayback Machine. Run it on all domains. This often reveals old or forgotten JS files that may still be accessible. For even deeper archival coverage, we use Waymore, which pulls from Common Crawl, VirusTotal, OTX, and more. This gives us extended URL coverage beyond what waybackurls can offer. So our final tool is paramspider, great for finding query parameters in URLs. Run it like this. This helps us identify parameters that can be used for further fuzzing or vulnerability testing. Now it's time to combine all output files into one comprehensive list. Use this command to merge and deduplicate. This ensures we don't miss any JS file across the tools we used. Let's see what extensions are present in these URLs. You might see extensions like .js, .json, PHP, ASPX, etc. Now filter only those that are likely to expose sensitive data like .js and .json. You now have a consolidated list of potentially sensitive files to analyze. So that's all for this video. In my next video, I'll show you how to automate the scanning of these JS files for secrets, API keys, tokens, and sensitive endpoints. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions and share it with the fellow hackers. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy hunting. Bye bye.